Alright, so here's the thing. I'm stuck. My car broke or something. I crashed into the cement thing and now my car won't start. And so I'm stuck in the parking lot at Subway. And it's cold outside. I'm all alone. Um, so I thought I'd make a video in case I don't make it out alive. Um, so let's take a look at the surroundings. So here's me in my car. I have my shoes off. My shoes are right there. The car's kind of messy. Um, that's like some sushi place across the street. There's Subway and a car. Oh, there's Wendy's. Wendy's is right there. So I'm stuck in my car until help arrives, and I don't even know if my car is gonna start or what is the deal. I don't know. Well, I have an iPod. What is that? Oh, okay. Oh, I have my iPod. And, oh, actually, that's a bad song. I also have a Subway sandwich. Uh, so at least I won't starve to death for a bit. Um, I had just gotten off work and I had just come straight from work to here, and I've been here about an hour. I don't know. 70 Matter is supposedly on their way, and then who knows? But I think that's all. I just wanted to share with everyone my last moments on Earth. Here, stuck in my car, freezing to death. Um, I could probably walk somewhere or go inside, but this is much more dramatic and entertaining. Oh, they're here. I gotta go.